Hey, what's up guys, this is Bruiser and I'm back. I was gone for a while. It's been over a year since I uploaded my last airsoft video. I've been in military training and stuff, and now I've relocated to Georgia, so I won't be playing in Arizona anymore. But today's video is coming out of Metropolis Airsoft in McDonough, Georgia. They just recently got bought out by All-Star Airsoft, and it's a really cool field. I like how they rearranged it. The new owners are really awesome, and this weekend was supposed to be the last weekend of All-Star Airsoft's location in McDonough because the building was for sale, but they recently renewed the contract, worked some stuff out with the landlords, and they will be continuing Metropolis Airsoft. So that's going to be awesome. Only an hour away, and sorry if you can hear rain. Hurricane Irma is just rolling through my location here, so let's get this video started.
To our left, hit!
The game we're playing today is called Behind Enemy Lines, where there are a certain amount of players from the field that go outside, and they have to defend themselves from the players from inside rushing out. Now, the players that rush from the inside have to kill the ones on the outside as quick as they can without them medicing each other. So the ones outside have the unlimited medic rule, every one of them is a medic, and the ones on the inside just respawn once they get hit when they're outside.
Hit! Is it over already?
I hope so. This sucks.
Wait, we won?
Yeah.
Wow. Alright, well.
This game, I was selected as one of the 8 players defending. Our group set up a strategy scattering all of our team along the field to watch certain spots. I chose this area because I had plenty of cover and I had a clear view of one of the 2 doors the attackers would be coming out of.
Yeah. Here they come. Oh, I got that guy.
So it turns out the game didn't actually start. The people just started rushing out. So time to try this again.
The game is not started? There we go. I'm reloading. Yeah, I'm not. Yep, they see me. Woo! That's not. Woo! It was a good try. It was a good try. Let me know if they push up farther. Let me know if they push further up towards my position over there to the right.
All right.
Cover me as I run back.
All right.
No, my holster just broke. Damn it, Matrix. What is this? good. Keep it. No point in moving up. We got a good line here. Well, is it 10 minutes? Riot shield, riot shield. Riot shield, riot shield. Yeah, they're closing in on me for sure. So many ricochets. Where are these coming from?
Right here, me.
They're bouncing off that tree and hitting this tree in front of me. Yeah, he's got a clear view of the door. I have one too if you guys want to come over here. They're planning. One minute, wait for him to push. They're gonna kick it back open. I wouldn't stand there. Huh? They coming? Hey, there's a clear view of the door right there. See you through there? Are they coming that side?
Oh, you got an extra mag?
Yeah, I got one here. It's a mid cap though.
Alright, be alright.
Just use semi-auto.
Huh? I know. We're doing the full time. We got a man down over there.
Do we?
Yeah.
Where at?
Behind that big barrel.
Oh shit! There's a Polar Star watching this way. Is it good? I'm empty, I'm empty.
Bag? Are you good?
I'm good. I got one more left. Yeah, we're good. Game over, game over.
Game over!
Well, that's it for this video. Thank you guys for watching. It feels so great to be making airsoft videos again. Make sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I hope to see you guys on the field.